How do you run code in Visual Studio? So after setting up your project and creating your project for the language or the project type that you want to run and execute, for example, here I have a simple C# .NET app which prints hello world. And to run this code, all you need to do is simply hold down Control and press F5 to build and start the program. And this runs your code and prints out the results as you can see here. And the next thing you can do is press F5, which runs with debugging. And it does the same thing, but it runs the debugger as well. Or you can simply hover over the bar here and select whether you want to run debug or release, and then select the CPU if you have it configured, and then you can press the run button here, which starts without debugging, or you can press this one next to it, which runs with the debugger. And that's how you run code in Microsoft Visual Studio. You can also right click on the project here and then choose build to build the project. And once you've built the project, this should produce an executable, which you can run from the project directory if you open the file in the Explorer. You should see it right here, the program. You can run this to open up the program. And if you're running a console app, make sure to end it with system pause, or you can basically use console.readline to stop the execution when it ends so that you can read the output, otherwise it will terminate immediately. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.